You've saved for your dream cruise, but one wrong move on shore, losing your passport, getting scammed by a taxi, or missing your ship could ruin everything. Don't worry. Today, I'll share 8 essential tips every first-time cruiser must know to stay safe, smart, and stress-free during excursions.
Tip 8. Research the port before you arrive. Rule number 1. Know your destination. Before you step off the ship, take a few minutes to research the port online or use apps like Cruise Critic. Find out which areas are safe, where local tours are worth it, and which shops to avoid. In Nassau, Bahamas, knowing that Paradise Island is just a short ferry ride away can save you from wasting money on overpriced taxis. A little preparation goes a long way.
Tip 7. Book your first excursion through the cruise line. Sure, independent tours can be cheaper, but if anything goes wrong, traffic, delay, or miscommunication, the ship won't wait for you. Cruise line excursions, however, guarantee that the ship will stay if something runs late. It might cost a bit more, but peace of mind is priceless.
Tip 6. Remember the difference between ship time and local time. This is a classic beginner mistake. Ship time doesn't always match local time, and if you mix them up, you could literally miss the boat. Always check your cruise app or daily schedule to confirm the correct time and plan to return to the port at least 1 hour early.
Tip 5. Pack only the essentials. You don't need your whole suitcase for a few hours on shore. Carry a small day bag with just the basics: cruise card, ID, cash, sunscreen, water bottle, and a power bank. Leave expensive jewelry or gadgets behind. Pickpockets love easy targets. Remember, light bag, carefree day. Tip 4. Use only trusted transportation. The moment you step off the ship, people will start yelling, "Taxi! Tour!" Most of them are unlicensed or overpriced. Avoid these hawkers. Always use official taxi stands or a ride app if available. This simple step can save you from scams and inflated fares. Tip 3. Watch out for common scams. Every port has its share of tricksters, free bracelets, fake police, or shops that quietly change prices. The golden rule: just smile and say, "No, thank you." When shopping in local markets, start bargaining at half the asking price. And whenever possible, pay with a credit card instead of cash for extra protection. Tip 2. Use technology to your advantage. Your smartphone is your best travel buddy. Download offline Google Maps, a translate app, and enable WhatsApp location sharing with your travel partner. If you face language barriers or lose your way, these tools will help you out. Also, keep emergency numbers and your cruise helpline saved, because a prepared traveler is a smart traveler. Mobile phone with Arrow. Tip 1. Always have a backup plan and a buddy system. This one's the most important. Never explore alone, go with a friend or group. Set a meeting point in case you get separated. Keep photocopies of your documents, some emergency cash, and your embassy's contact number. A good backup plan can turn any crisis into a minor hiccup. Flexed biceps. And there you have it, 8 powerful cruise tips to make your first shore excursion safe, fun, and unforgettable. Now you know how to avoid scams, manage your time, and enjoy every moment with confidence. A cruise isn't just a destination, it's an experience. And when you're prepared, every moment becomes amazing. If this video helped you, red heart, give it a like. Envelope with Arrow, tell us in the comments what your biggest excursion worry is. And ship subscribe to CruiseWise Adventures, so every trip you take is safe, smart, and stress-free.